Edify installation and setup tutorial. This lesson covers software installation, first launch, and system settings. Download the installer from the website or cloud drive. Extract it to your Edify folder. Then run setup to finish installation. After installation, an Edify icon appears on the desktop. Double-click it to start the application. On launch, you can create a new project or open an existing one. Here we choose New Project. You will see the media library and effect templates. Templates can be extended by the user. The template library includes opening, ending, and subtitle templates. On first use, open System Settings first. System settings include user path, video standard, render API, source buffer, and hardware decode. Changes take effect after restart. The user path stores temp files, audio cache, and project-related folders. 10 video standards cover common landscape, portrait, 25 frames per second, and 50 frames per second formats. On Windows, you can choose DirectX 11 or Vulkan for rendering. On Linux, Vulkan is the primary option. Enable source buffer during playback to speed up preview. Hardware decode can usually be enabled on newer GPUs. Otherwise, the app falls back to software decode. That covers Edify installation and basic setup. See the help documentation for more features.